Alrighty guys, here at the New American Running Garage in Georgia. First little project is going to be this Coleman CC100x mini bike. So one of my buddies got this bike. He says that the brakes weren't working and wanted me to go through it. So I found a couple things. I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the brakes today. But we also had to do a filter clean, so we'll go over that. I already removed the filter. It has an aftermarket carburetor on it. The whole thing is kind of snazzy, but let's get into it. What's up everybody on this Coleman CC100x, doing a brake adjustment on it right here, back here on the caliper. So the owner of the bike, they were squeezing the brake lever and it wasn't stopping. So to adjust the brake pads are right in here. You're gonna need a 2mm Allen wrench and an 8mm wrench. So you'll stick the Allen wrench in, loosen this nut, twist your Allen wrench to make your adjustments, and then tighten it back up, and I'll show you what adjustments I was talking about. Okay, so this is where the brake pad adjustment is going to come in. If you look right where my finger is, you'll see a little bit of light, and now you'll see the light going away because that's the brake pad. As I'm turning this Allen wrench, the brake pad comes in and out. Okay, so if it's way out like that and I squeeze the brake, it's not really going to engage at all. So I have to adjust this so that way when the tire is turning and they hit the brake handle, it will actually stop.